wall, ceiling, and floor penetrations causing sanitation issues in your processing plant? Thermal expansion, contraction, and water hammer and piping can cause damage to wall plates that force them to break away, creating openings in the wall. Pipetite is a maintenance-free solution to these problems. It seals penetrations while allowing movement of tubing. There's no need for caulking as its base incorporates self-sealing lip seals. Installation is a breeze. Simply cut to size along the pre-marked lines, slide it onto the pipe, then secure it to the wall by inserting wall anchors into the pre-drilled holes. Since there's no caulking or sealant required, there's no need for cleanup after installation. Do you have pre-existing piping? Pipetite Reboot works with piping that has already been installed. Simply wrap it around the existing piping and clamp it back together. But Pipetite does more than just wall and floor penetrations. The grommet and mini grommet can create watertight seals around tubing and wires as they enter cabinets, panels, and other enclosures. Flat Pipetite creates a seal for jacketed tanks and vessels with limited space. Pipetite Sleeve Boot even seals off tube-and-tube transitions.